Hi guys, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the 9 developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving just a week after the 8th betas. Registered developers can access the latest build through the Software Update section in the Settings app, continuing Apple's push toward the public release later this year. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 highlight Apple's striking new liquid glass design, a fresh visual style that emphasizes translucency, layering, and sleek glass-like elements. This design aesthetic is seen across the lock screen, home screen, and control center, and even within system menus and app buttons, bringing a more fluid and modern look to the operating systems. The update also introduced a host of new features across Apple's core apps such as Messages, Phone, Shortcuts, and Apple Music have all been upgraded with enhancements designed to improve usability and integration. Apple Intelligence, the company's AI-powered system, takes a central role with smarter tools for customization and productivity. Additionally, CarPlay has been registered, offering a more immersive and seamless in-car experience. And for iPad users, iPadOS 26 brings one of the biggest multitasking upgrades yet, with support for multiple app windows, creating a more Mac-like environment that significantly bolsters productivity on the iPad.